Infiniti's best-selling QX60 returns for 2026, now with a bold new sport trim that injects a sharper, more aggressive edge into the lineup. Unlike a simple refresh of the previous sensory grade, this version is designed for those who felt the standard QX60 lacked character. Infiniti officials emphasize that the sport trim builds on the brand's legacy of performance, drawing inspiration from iconic models like the G35 and Q60 Red Sport Coupes. It blends a sporty attitude with the comfort and convenience expected from a three-row luxury SUV. Strong demand for the Black Edition package on the 2025 QX60 helped pave the way for this new trim, catering to customers seeking a more dynamic aesthetic. The QX60 Sport stands out with a unique mesh grille, featuring an illuminated Infiniti logo, complemented by a gloss black front lip. The dark theme extends throughout the vehicle, with exclusive 20-inch gloss black wheels, black side moldings, roof rails, and door mirrors. A distinctive S badge on the liftgate further sets it apart. Available in 4 colors: mineral black, grand blue, graphite shadow, and radiant white. The latter, two can be paired with a contrasting black obsidian roof. Inside, the dusk blue interior features black open-pore ash wood trim, tailor-fit upholstery in black and blue, and contrast stitching. Heated and ventilated front seats come standard, along with second-row captain's chairs that are also heated and separated by a removable console with 2 cup holders. The QX60 Sport is equipped with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch infotainment system with Google built in. Other premium features include a black headliner, wireless smartphone charger, tri-zone climate control system, and a 16-speaker, Klipsch premium audio system. Under the hood, the 2.0-liter VC turbo 4-cylinder engine delivers 268 horsepower and 286 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive. Fuel efficiency is estimated at 22 miles per gallon city, 27 miles per gallon highway, and 24 miles per gallon combined. Infiniti has yet to announce official pricing for the 2026 QX60 Sport, but it is expected to be positioned between the Luxe and Autograph trims. The current 2025 QX60 starts at $51,550, with the range-topping Autograph trim priced at $67,500. The 2026 model is set to arrive at dealerships this summer.